Hold up. Good morning and welcome back, my people. Hold up, I got my little coffee and shit, yo. Hold up. Feel me? Yo, so Pete, yo, we about to go to Mass, you already know, but this time I'm driving. I'm not about to go catch the motherfucking train or nothing like that. Yo, so I set up the damn alarm for 7 o'clock, right? Alarm hits. Yo, I was so cozied up, bro. It's Saturday, by the way, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, yo, I turned around, I was like, hey, babe, let me borrow the car, you know what I'm saying? So I can make it down to Mass and go get this little cheddar cheese. So she got a thing to go do in Avon like around 12. So it's 8:45, bro. It's a 35-minute drive over there, boom, boom, come back, and we should be straight. I heard they got a new little restaurant up in Park Street. The Rolling Dish. So I heard it was just open. I don't know how true it is. So I don't know. The Rolling Dish up in Park Street. There used to be a food truck, and finally they got their own little spot. So we gotta go check them out. But first, we gotta go to the motherfucking Dispensary. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and all that good shit. Jump cut. Welcome back, my people. Yo, Pete, so we over here on Park Street. This is the new spot right here, bruh. The Rolling Dish. Bruh. We in here. I know it's on Park Street. What's the number of this will be? They're closed on Sunday, so there y'all go look. Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. I had their food be pretty good, so that's what we want to do. Look at this. Pretty sure. Hey, I'm putting them on black. That's what we doing. Hell yeah, nice little spot. This used to be the El Comerío. This used to be the Comerío back in the day, bro. And they got a new spot out here, and that's exactly what we about to do. We about to eat. Jump up. This place is fancy, bro. Look at this. Look at that. I got my own little light. Yeah, keep the light on though, baby. We can get some lighting in here. Y'all got me some arroz con gandules or chuleta with some tostones. Have some tostones with me, baby.
In English, yellow rice with peas and pork chop.
And what did you get, mama?
I got chicken stew with yellow rice and peas.
Yep.
And the empanadas for this one.
Yep.
Which usually you know that's a big man.
Yep. So they opened last Thursday. Say welcome back, my people. Look. That's gonna be the intro. My son gonna be 4 years old next year, bro. He almost there. I can't believe how time flies, yo. I swear to you, it's just flew. But anyhow, I was talking to the owner. She's like, yeah, they opened last Thursday and stuff. They just opened, yeah. So, like I said, I had them in my job. It was pretty good. The rice was good. The chuleta was nice and fresh. So let's see what it do. We're just waiting for the food to come out. Jump cut. Peep out the menu though, my people. Peep out the menu. No seafood. I don't do seafood, my people. So, like I said, I had gotten the arroz con gandules, the pork chop, the tostones. I got my son a chicken empanada. The rice food just got here. Show it to them.
This is freaking cute. I love this little box.
That is smelling amazing.
It is.
That is smelling amazing. Oh my God, the smell alone. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
I love this honey pot. It's really cute.
Look at this. Thank you so much.
Hot sauce on the table. Do you want my ketchup at all?
I'm okay with all that.
Okay, and then did you want the habichuelas on the side or the rice?
I am fine. Thank you so much. Yes. Yo, hospitality. Beautiful. Look at my son's little thing over here. Look at these pork chops though. Yo. Let's eat, yo. Let's eat. Let's just eat. Let's just eat. I don't do none of that mayo ketchup thing, baby. Come on, I'm from the 70s.
I know, I'm healthy. Okay, I don't want to go everywhere. That's why. Okay, no, eat the food first. Eat the food. Oh, this is good.
Bro, do we have grandma back there shuffling this up?
Good. With no ear pocket.
Look at this.
That looks juicy.
Bro, it is packed with meat. Thank you. And you gotta taste that rice.
That's not right.
Nah.
Give them. You eat it. That's not right. It's not hot. That's how you eat it.
Oh my God.
Put it down.
Oh my God. Bro. Look. Good salt. Taste that rice. Amazing. The pork chop is seasoned.
What do you need? No, but that's all. You need it. Tender.
Oh my God, yeah. The rice.
Yeah. Good.
No, puppy. You don't need no sauce. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Yo, you get 2 healthy pork chops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 tostones. Pork chop cooked to perfection, my people. You have one, baby?
That's the only thing. Like it's not a complaint or whatever. Like I wish I had more rice.
Yeah. But this is a small one. Yeah, it's a small one. Because she asked me, you want it small or large?
Rice is good. I want a pot. A big pot.
I love the setup. Comes out. Yeah, right? Come on. not gonna lie to you, man. I'll say 9.5. 9.5.
I haven't heard you say that a biscuit and that wow.
Thank you. We're very good.
Ooh.
Let me see that.
I think the potato has seeds inside.
And you did it.
You did. How's your food, brother? Is it good?
You like the food we do?
A thumbs up.
There you go.
Up or down? Up or down?
Way up. Not in a large one, but.
Is it on a pricing side or this good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hate everything. She's gonna set up too, bro.
Okay.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Oh, they make a mess. See where he gets it from.
How's everything going here?
Perfect.
Amazing.
Yes.
I might be a little biased because
That is her favorite dish.
it is. But like with everything, like you know, the presentation and all that, a 9.8.
A 9.8. Yo, rolling this on cart. Come out here, you wouldn't, no, they not.
Definitely back there.
Say that one more time.
Somebody's grandmama. Other known as abuela.
Yeah, abuela back there cooking something up, bro. Come check them out, man, on Park Street. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful. It's, yo, I ate one pork chop. I'm about to dust off this rice.
Crispy.
Yeah, and it's perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked. You know, like when I cook my pork chops, like I overcook them shits. But this is just, wow. Do y'all thing, you know. Much love. Make sure you hit that button, subscribe, and all that good shit. Jump up. Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.